Hello, welcome to Pneumatics Defense Limited, based in Noida, India. Pneumatics is market leader in developing and designing of customized test bench. We manufacture different type of test bench for defense like Indian Air Force, Navy, Army, DRDO, BARC, NPCIL, IG CAR, and the list is very much so on. Now I will myself is MD Mohtmim Alam, project manager of Isnabar test bench facility. Now I will explain in detail about Isnabar test bench facility, and first I will explain about servo actuator. This is customized Pneumatics design servo actuator of stroke 250 mm. This is LVDT. This is LVDT housing. This is LVDT housing, and this is servo valve. This is very intelligent servo valve, which inbuilt electronics and LVDT. Now I will show you a hydraulic snubber. This is hydraulic snubber mounted between two plates through clevis joint. This is clevis joint, and this is the rod end, and this is fixed end. This is load cell. The capacity is 25 ton. In test bench there is 3 plate. 2 plate is fixed and 1 plate is movable. This movable plate is used to adjust the length of test bench, and the snubber are very different size. So this adjustable plate can be adjust to different length to adjust the length of snubber. Now I will show you very important device of this test bench is locking device. This is positive locking device, which is being operated by giving pressure. When we give pressure, the device is automatically unlocked, and we can adjust the plate by this adjusting hydraulic cylinder. Now I will show you the hydraulic power pack. The Pneumatics design compact hydraulic power pack. This is hydraulic power pack. This is cooler, and we have 2 line of filters. This line is cooling line, and this line is pressure line of filtration level 3 micron. This is cooling motor, and this cooling pump is inside the tank. The tank capacity of this power pack is 500 liter. This is electrical panel to run the motor and its accessories like valve and solenoid valve, DC valve, temperature transmitter, level switch, pressure switch. This is and pressure relief valve, remote control pressure relief valve, through which we can adjust the pressure of the system. Like I am showing you how we adjust the pressure of the system. And this is dump valve, we called loading unloading valve. This is now this arrangement is for movable cylinder and locking device. Showing you data acquisition system of this bench. This is the screen of pre-operativity test. The pre-operativity test is going on. Now test is done on compression mode. This is compression mode. अब बंद कर दो.